Visual performance and aberration profiles in high myopia, influence of Hindex lens materials. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Hindex ophthalmic lenses are commonly prescribed for individuals with moderate to severe myopia, greater than -6.00D, due to their ability to reduce lens thickness and weight, enhancing cosmetic appearance and comfort. However, a potential drawback of these lenses is the increased chromatic and higher-order aberrations, which may compromise visual performance and overall wearer satisfaction. This cross-sectional, observational study with prospective elements was conducted to assess the extent of chromatic aberration across various Hindex lens materials, categorized based on their Abbe number V number, and its impact on visual acuity, optical quality, and subjective satisfaction. The study included spectacle wearers aged 18 to 45 years, categorized by degree of myopia and lens design. Individuals with known nuclear or cortical cataracts and any history of ocular pathology were excluded to avoid confounding effects related to myopia shifts in early senile changes. Lens materials included indices ranging from 1.60 to 1.74, with Abbe values ranging from 32 to 42, and quality control QC checks were conducted for lens material properties, anti-reflective coating integrity, and index verification using standard optical bench and spectrophotometry tools. Data was stratified by age group, spherical and cylindrical power, and lens category aspheric, atoric, etc. A minimum sample size was calculated based on effect size from pilot data, with dropout rates monitored over a 12-month follow-up for comfort and visual quality feedback. The study employed both parametric and non-parametric statistical tools after testing data normality, given the skewed distribution of subjective satisfaction scores and power ranges. The results suggest that higher index lenses with lower Abbe numbers introduce more chromatic aberration, which may influence wearer comfort and clarity, especially under varying lighting conditions. Our findings underline the importance of balancing refractive correction needs with material selection to ensure optimal optical performance and patient satisfaction in high myopia management. Introduction. Myopia, or nearsightedness, happens when the eye grows too long or its focusing power doesn't match, making distant objects look blurry. It's a growing problem worldwide, and by 2050, about 1 billion people are expected to have severe myopia. Glasses and contact lenses are the most common ways to correct it, using special lenses that refocus light properly onto the retina. Hindex lenses, which are thinner and lighter, are popular for people with strong prescriptions, but they can cause color distortions called chromatic aberrations, leading to blurry edges and rainbow-like effects. Two types of chromatic issues, longitudinal LCA and transverse TCA, affect clarity, especially in people with severe myopia. While treatments like low-dose atropine eye drops and spending more time outdoors can help slow myopia progression, better lens materials and designs are important too. Understanding how different lenses affect vision is key to improving comfort and sharpness for people with high myopia. Conclusion. Hindex ophthalmic lenses provide significant benefits in terms of reducing lens thickness and improving aesthetics for high myopic patients. However, this study highlights the trade-off between these benefits and the increased chromatic aberration, which can negatively impact visual performance and satisfaction. Parmar et al., 2024. Clinicians should carefully consider these factors when prescribing Hindex lenses, balancing the need for thinner lenses with the potential for reduced visual quality. Further research is warranted to explore advanced lens designs and materials that could mitigate these effects while maintaining the advantages of Hindex lenses. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.